Guys, what's up? Welcome back to Six Cars. We're back at the auto show, but it's about a week later. So we were here on media day at the start, but this time it's something a little bit different. We're actually here for the rollout, and we're hanging around in this particular section. As you remember, this is where all the big stuff was from the Auto Strata booth. So things like the F40, the F50, the LFA Nürburgring, and of course this massive collection of iconic Mercedes from Cobble Beach. We're gonna catch as much as we can rolling out. We'll get some startups too. It's gonna be really fun. So like I said, we'll be spending most of the time around here, maybe see what's going on at Grand Touring as well if we can make it up there, but I can already hear some cars starting over there. So we're gonna make our way over, and while we're doing that, make sure if you haven't already to subscribe, leave those likes and those comments, share the videos. Let's get at it, guys. By the way, that Celestic or Soleil behind us, these Cadillac concepts, really, really nice. So we'll catch those leaving too if we can, but let's head over to the Hypercars first and get those. Alrighty, people. So here we go. Everything is being torn down. You can see some cars getting pushed out, but we're hoping that the big lineup starts up over here, and we'll see what we can get in terms of content. But if we can get some of these things starting up and rolling out, that would be pretty damn cool. So yeah, you guys all remember the lineup here from Auto Strata with the F50, F40 combo, Diablo SE30, Countach, LFA Nürburgring, Carrera GT, Wyra R. It's pretty damn sick. Obviously we got to see it in detail when they were all parked here, which they still are, but the main reason we're here now is to hopefully get them all rolling out. So we'll see what we can do, and there's a few cars over there too actually that I don't really think we got to look at before, so might as well take a look at that. So here you've got the Eleanor Tribute GT500 looking very cool. Obviously one of the better looking classic Mustangs, very popular of course in the classic muscle scene. This like completely blacked out Camaro, which looks absolutely sick. It's black HREs, really serious window tints. I can't even see inside of that thing, but man, it looks cool. Especially that grille actually, it's very nice looking. I think we've seen this Viper ACR around before, looking fantastic. I love the spec on that, blue with these silver stripes, just a mega car. We've got a modified Beetle, Chevelle, they've got a new Vantage over there, Huracan, 488, a Rivian, if you guys are interested in that. Actually, no, and last time we were here, we didn't really shout out the Lotuses. So I did want to point out again, we have done quite a bit on the Emira on the channel before. We actually filmed the very first one that landed, customer car that is, in Canada, the blue one. So if you haven't checked that video out before, do that now because we go very in-depth on the car, but I did want to point out the John Player Special livery on this. It looks fantastic, and what a great car. One of the like saviors of the car world, I would say. The power plant, the manual gearbox, just a true driver's car. And I used to see Lotus back to their roots. Case in point, they're the Series 2 at least. Always loved that car, and maybe one day in the 6 car garage we can add one of those. That would be pretty special. There's a GT3 over there as well. Actually, amidst the mayhem with all the cars rolling out, I didn't even notice there was a 720S Le Mans sitting here. It is a special edition, so you do get the 5-spoke LM wheels, obviously a tribute to the Le Mans winning McLaren F1 GTR, and there it is, 25 years since the victory. You can see the decal on the side. You get that cool roof intake too, which is an MSO option. I think there's some interior details as well that are special to this car, but there we go. Something that we missed last time, but we are catching it this time, 720S Le Mans.
Okay, well, I'll keep trying. I know I want to change the powertrain, but I like this. Monterey is kind of like.
All right, guys, while we have the opportunity here with the door open, might as well take a quick little peek inside the Countach. Remember, one of 112, so pretty damn special to get a look inside. Very Lamborghini-esque interior, but the details on this particular one are what I do really like. White with gold accents. You can see the gold stitching running along the door sill here, even down the side of the center console. Gold casing over the starter button too, so pretty damn cool. And this one should be starting up fairly soon, so another cool video that we will be able to get. Some pretty cool startups already so far, but I think the V12 from the Countach is going to be pretty nice, and I can't wait to see it moving too, because this color looks so damn nice. I know we've saw it before on media day, but there's no ropes around, and both cars on either sides have now moved, so it's cool to see it on its own with the door up.
That's not a problem. Okay. I was telling them that they got a roll where they turn, but yeah. You don't want that. I moved it back. Make sure at first, this bird's real close to first.
And that's about all you have for engines. There's no front, there's fronts and front runs.
Okay, so obviously the YR is not starting because that would pretty much shatter the windows and the lights in here. It'd be too loud, but it is being pushed out. The last car from the Autostrada booth. Feel free to let me know down in the comments your favorite startup though, because they all sounded pretty damn cool. Definitely the best sounding cars in the show were at this booth. And yeah, now we'll just get a little bit of the YR being pushed out of the booth here towards the transport trucks.
Orange?
Oh, there we go, guys. We've got some more cars rolling out here. We've got the purple Revuelto coming out with Grand Touring. You saw the new Vantage pull out as well. That purple does look really good under the night light though. I will say, guys, this is growing on me as I see it more and more, and I'll have to say, of all the Revueltos we've seen so far, purple has to be the best looking color. This does look really good on the road. A ton of presence as well. Now, if you guys ever want to know how quickly they take down an auto show, the show officially closed or ended like an hour ago, and construction crews came in here so fast, like just a giant gang, a mob of people in hard hats, and started ripping up the floors. You can see we've already seen quite a few of the cars leave, or the ones that we really want to see leave. And now you can see behind me just a big, huge construction zone. All the displays coming down. Cars are rolling out fast and furious. But as you can see, still got a Chiron behind us, and we still have the Pininfarina and the new Vanquish. So we'll hopefully see these cars head out too if we hang around a little bit longer. But it is getting a bit late, so I'm very much looking forward to seeing these things roll out very soon. All right, here we go, guys. So the Pininfarina, which obviously will not make any real noise. This is the one we'll wait for, the Chiron Pure Sport. 2 seconds. Not too shabby, everybody. And actually, because it's quite cold outside, we're actually gonna follow these guys in the Cullinan. So let's just jump on right inside. Oh, we got leapers, everybody. The season's in full swing here. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. It's wild out here. This is officially car spotting in the winter. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Should also point out we do have the Pininfarina Battista behind us, lest we forget. I mean, completely forgot about that, but we still have the Chiron in front. We are starting to move through the auto show teardown traffic. This is wild, guys. There's so many trucks, so many cars everywhere. Oh my.
Yeah, the weather's really messing with my camera.
And we're wrapping it up here, ladies and gentlemen, with the brand new 2025 Vanquish. Oh man, see if there's any more spotters kicking around here, but there goes the last truck. That should be a wrap for the auto show rollout, at least from our vlog. Man, it is a tight squeeze in here. Trucks and cars on either side. This is a pretty clean looking interior though, I gotta say. Nice job, Aston Martin. We've still got people out here getting spotted. Let's go. So there we go, guys. Out of the 2025 Vanquish. There it is in the flesh on the street. Good little way to wrap up the vlog. We've got the rolls behind it. But yeah, there it goes, guys. And we'll get a look at the back too. That is a wrap for the 2025 Canadian International Auto Show.